So next up, the scrambled egg. Now we have two kinds of scrambled egg. We have the soft scramble and hard scramble. So I'm going to start off with the soft scramble, having my butter melt off on the pan, and then have a little bit of milk in there, and then our egg. So it's going to be beautiful, lovely breakfast option. We're still getting all those simple and affordable breakfast options that you can put right. It's locked down, super easy. Let's do this.